Almost every AI video generator today is capable of producing cinematic results. So why do most AI videos still look obviously fake? It's usually not the model, it's the prompt. Most people type one sentence, hit generate, hope for the best, and then spend the next hour rewriting the same prompt over and over because something always looks off. Today, I'll show you a completely free AI prompt generator that takes a simple one-line idea and automatically turns it into professional prompts with camera angles, lighting, lens choices, color grading, and negative prompts optimized for Veo, Kling, Sora, Hailuo, Wan, and more. I'll also show you why one hidden output format produces noticeably better results. And how to keep the same character consistent across an entire AI film. Let's get started. Open the AI prompt generator using the link in the description. The interface is minimal, a text field in the center, a few settings below it, and that's it. No complicated setup, no account required to start. Before you generate anything, there are 3 settings worth understanding. Model selection. You pick which AI video platform you're generating for. The options include Veo, Sora, Kling, Hailuo, Wan, and several others. This matters because each model interprets prompt structure differently. A prompt written for Sora and pasted into Kling will produce weaker results than one written specifically for Kling. The generator handles that translation automatically once you select the right model. Output format. You can generate either a plain text prompt ready to paste directly or a structured JSON prompt that gives the model more precise instructions. I'll cover why JSON is worth understanding in a moment. Content type, cinematic shot, character scene, product, B-roll, motion graphics, or stylized. Each one shapes the prompt differently based on what that content category actually needs. Start with the simplest version. Type a basic idea, something like a lone astronaut walking across a red desert planet at dusk, dust rising with each step. Select your target model, choose text format, select cinematic shot, and hit generate. What comes back is a fully expanded prompt. Camera placement, mood, lighting conditions, atmospheric detail, pacing, all built out from that one sentence. You copy it, paste it into your video generator, and you're done. This mode is the fastest entry point and works well for straightforward shots where you have a clear visual in mind and just need the technical language filled in around it. Now here's where it gets more interesting, because the JSON format is where most people stop reading and walk away, and it's actually the most useful part of this whole tool. Switch the output format to JSON and generate the same idea again. The output looks different, structured fields rather than a paragraph. And there's a reason for that. Most AI video models process prompts internally as structured data rather than plain text. When you submit a paragraph, the model has to interpret and restructure it before it can act on it. When you submit JSON, you're already speaking the model's language, which means cleaner output and fewer misinterpretations. The JSON prompt breaks your idea into specific fields: subject, action, environment, camera specifications, lens type, lighting setup, color palette, visual style, and negative prompts. That last one, negative prompts, is one of the most effective techniques for improving generation quality, and almost nobody uses it when writing prompts manually. Let me show you what this produces with a few different content types. Example 1. Cinematic character scene. A street musician playing violin on a rain-soaked bridge at midnight. City lights reflected in the water below. Generate the JSON. Paste into Google Flow with Veo 3.1 selected. Set duration to 10 seconds, and generate. The result? Film quality, low-light cinematography, realistic rain interaction with the instrument and clothing, natural musician movement, and ambient city sound layered underneath. The kind of output that usually takes multiple prompt rewrites to reach. First try here. Example 2. Product shot. A silver smartwatch rotating slowly on a polished obsidian surface. Studio lighting, close-up macro detail. Same process, JSON output, paste into Google Flow, Omni model this time for the extra duration control. The difference Omni makes here is visible immediately. Sharper reflections, more controlled rotation speed, lighting that looks like an actual product commercial rather than a generated clip. Set duration to 10 seconds in both the JSON and the Google Flow settings. That alignment matters for the output quality. Example 3. B-roll, aerial view descending through morning fog over a dense forest, golden light breaking through the canopy. B-roll content type selected, JSON format, VO 3.1. The result is the kind of establishing shot that would normally require a drone crew. Smooth descent, realistic fog behavior, natural light progression frame by frame. Quick question before the last mode. Drop a comment with what type of content you're making right now. I want to know whether most people watching this are building cinematic stuff, product videos, or something else entirely. This is the mode that makes the biggest practical difference for anyone building a series or a short film rather than one-off clips. The core problem with multi-scene AI video is character consistency. Generate the same character description 6 times and you'll get 6 subtly different people. The third mode of this tool is specifically designed to solve that. You start by generating a character reference prompt, detailed physical description, consistent clothing, specific visual markers, and then every subsequent scene prompt is built to reference that same character profile. Each scene prompt pulls from the same foundation, so the subject stays visually coherent across clips even when the environment, camera angle, and action all change. Example: a young archivist in a dusty library uncovering a hidden manuscript. Generate the character reference first, lock it in, then generate scene-by-scene prompts. Close-up of her expression as she opens the cover, wide shot of the towering archive shelves behind her, detail shot of the manuscript pages, final shot of her leaving with it tucked under her arm. Each prompt carries the same character anchor. Paste them in sequence into your video generator, and the character holds across all 4 clips, something that's genuinely difficult to achieve when writing prompts manually. One more content type worth showing: motion graphics. Animated timeline of architecture through the centuries, each era building on the last clean documentary style. JSON format, VO 3.1, 10 seconds. The output works immediately for explainer content, smooth transitions, clean typography treatment, a pace that reads as professional rather than generated. 2 solid free paths for taking these prompts and turning them into an actual video. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits daily, enough for roughly 8 to 10 clips depending on duration and model. VO 3.1 is the strongest model currently available there for most content types. For anything where you want extended duration or more precise camera control, switch to Omni, which lets you set custom durations up to 10 seconds. One important setting: make sure agent mode is turned off before generating. If it's on, the model interprets the prompt differently and results drift from what you specified. Higgsfield is the other option if you want to use these JSON prompts with a paid plan and access additional models directly. The prompt generator is built to work with both. The JSON format transfers cleanly into either platform. For pure free usage with no credit limits, Google Flow's daily refresh is the most sustainable option for testing and building content regularly. So that's the complete workflow, from a simple one-line idea to professional AI video prompts that can save you hours of trial and error. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe, because every week I test the newest AI tools, uncover hidden features, and show you practical workflows that help you create better content faster. And if you want to discover even more AI tools for video creation, automation, and growing your YouTube channel, click the AI Tools playlist that's on your screen right now. It's packed with step-by-step tutorials that build on what you learned today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.